the black sheep, wool so deep, walked through the meadow counting sheep. He heard some barking soft and sweet. Little dogs ran to his feet.